All right, it's Wednesday, December 20th. Just following up the SPY, you can see here it now has really built up momentum to the downside, and we have the outside day to the downside on the 15-minute chart here. Once it hit the midpoint of that first bar and couldn't bounce, it immediately took out these stops. And then once it didn't really bounce from there, then we were below the halfway point of the prior day and we came down and took out the low of the prior day. So now we have an outside day to the downside, big red move. I just scaled out some more of those options. I bought those 480 puts at 478. I scaled out at 575, scaled out to more at 725. They're asking 870 right now, 850 in that area as we continue lower. This is now a big reversal day, but it becomes a 3 bar, an outside bar. Let's assume we close down here somewhere. You would expect a little follow through lower into tomorrow, assuming we close down here. But nevertheless, it is just higher highs and lower lows at the moment within the scope of this uptrend. So it is possible it's just kind of volatility in play. And there could be a good, the actionable signal now on the 3-day is going to, we'll get this on the recap video, is going to have to be either a 1-day and then back up, or a 2 down, 2 up if that should develop. So it's going to take a little time to get back to the upside unless somehow we gap up tomorrow after this kind of move. But bottom line is, bought some puts here right at this bar and was anticipating at least a little pullback. Thought some momentum could kick in, and obviously, we're getting a big sell-off here. And it was kind of, it's not surprising given this entire move up that you're getting something like this, a reversal day. We'll see how this really ends the week. Maybe if we close, with this type of shooter bar for the week, we go down into next week. So there's a lot of potential here maybe to come down, 10 points or so on this index. But we'll see day by day how we go, and we'll see how this closes. But anyway, good trade buying the puts here. And then, once things get going to the downside, sometimes momentum kicks in. So moving a lot lower now. I can see the options are asking, all the way up to 926 right here on the ask. I bought those at 478. So really good trade, and we'll just see how things unfold before the day is over.